I know, yeah.
So right now, with the boat runners,
Yes,
we're about to eat some food. We're going to review some
Cafe.
shot food
Mariah,
at
no.
Pix Cafe. We're going to go in and see how this food tastes.
Yeah, let's make it 4 fried chickens. There's no oxtail, brother.
So I already know who's the eater to the group. It's sweet. Our Maki wants to be in the video so bad, so we're going to give him a spot.
Fried dumpling, fritters, sesame, sides.
Sure.
And they also have sweet potatoes.
Oh, sweet potato. It's so sweet that it's sweet. You can't even finish it.
Guys, just know that he loves it. He even fix up himself just for you guys, right? Looking fresh, bro.
I'm always fresh. Stay sexy.
Sharp. Big up your barber right here now.
Pick up Sean. Where we located again?
Jesus.
Post Mall at the back upstairs in a beauty shop.
Keeps you looking ugly.
And then
Rule number 1 about being a boat runner. You never get the small.
What part of the chicken?
we don't do small.
Breast.
Breast.
Love the breast.
Breast.
Leg and thigh.
Alright, so the service ain't so bad so far, you know. She's pretty helpful. She asks a lot of good questions. Let's see how long this food takes.
I like her.
The price is nice. Under $500. Alright, we have a cap.
Major key.
$500.
Major key.
Oh yes, no, man. Take care of the food. Oh, that's rule number 2. Never carry this food outside of the shop.
Never travel with food.
Never.
No matter where you eat it, find somewhere. They got some good seats.
Sit up for a while.
So, that's when you know it. But,
I got breast, enough gravy. Beautiful.
Fried chicken gravy, you know.
see this. See this. See this on the
You can't handle a tree someday.
Don't put that on the video.
Too late. Introduce yourself properly. What's your name?
Banana man.
Okay.
I know the vegetable look nice. Chop it up, kind of lost him. I look at boy.
Ronaldo. Rock.
Yo. No one puts no bad when the people in the shop. But as I say, the vegetable is nice.
What about the proportion, sir?
The proportion, nice. A whole heap of chicken them give me, isn't it?
Sensation.
About to open my box of food. Leg and thigh with curry gravy. And look at that. Very good chicken to rice ratio. Vegetables are neatly placed along the side. This is something I hate about some cook shops. They place the vegetables on top of your chicken and make your chicken get soggy. That's terrible. Something very important that I just noticed about this cook shop. Since we've been here, 2 more customers have come and go because of fast service and popularity. Very important. Major key for any cook shop. If nobody don't go, it's trash.
So yeah, next thing now today. Yo, where is this place located?
This is located in the heart of Chelsea Avenue, Pix Cafe, right between the Isuzu and Chelsea Jerk Center. You know what I'm saying? It's right here.
Exactly. And this is when the food hits you. Look, man.
I'm getting tingles.
Come on, look at this. The best part about getting curry gravy at some places is that they leave a little chunk of chicken in the gravy. Look at this, it's beautiful. Watch out, more chicken.
Another one.
More chicken. Oh God, another. I like that.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah, another.
Something I noticed about this food, it requires no water at all. No. The rice not dry, the chicken not dry, no need no liquid, no juice, no soda, no water.
Watch it. Easy.
You see, I eat the breast and you're not choking.
Yes, man.
So, this rice and peas has a lot of peas, that means it's authentic. Some cook shops, they use browning to substitute for the peas to give the rice a little color, but not here. Or whole heap of peas, so that makes this certified nice and peas.
What's up, buddy, after I eat the bone down?
Sensation. The saddest moment of eating a box food when it's done. Billy, a massacre feed piece of chicken.
No mercy.
You're broke.
I'm broke. I got a $500 cap.
Yeah, $50 remaining. What are you doing?
$50?
Yeah.
I put a little coins on it and I got a water. It's in
If you're using coins, you can pass the 5 bills cap, but not more than $50 worth of coins. Time for the score.
school and they say, Andre, spell your name, please.
Jason, suck a girl, please. Suck a girl, please.
And the results are in. 7 from Dre Witty, 8 from Jason, 8 from Mackie. A solid 7.7.
I don't know why you're from this.
Complicated.
So overall, Fix Cafe is a good place.
The finger licking. Yeah, man.
No, wait, put that in.